history of Queen Elizabeth National Park makes it a must-visit destination for tourists and overlanders. Over 4 days, we're gonna exploring this beautiful national park, Queen Elizabeth. Established in 1952, Queen Elizabeth National Park is one of the Uganda 3 oldest national parks, with an area of almost 2,000 square kilometers, approximately 770 square miles, of grey savanna, open bush country, riverine forest, lowland rainforest, wetland, rivers and lakes.
You have talked of our organization.
Sure.
We did in Toyota vehicles.
Yes.
We have Rekiburo.
Yes.
This is Queen
Yes,
Elizabeth.
sure.
Now we need Mbarara.
Mbarara now.
And Fort Pokesia. Now these are product services.
Toyota. Remember, the game reserve bought a lot of our brand Toyota vehicle. So we need now to minimize the cost of servicing. Centralize the service at the region so that it's easy to access it. My name is Noor Ismail Nozzle, diesel engineer, filmmaker, storyteller. Join me as I share my passion for building 4-wheel drive trucks and traveling to the remotest part of the world.
I get up and you're a stranger, out of sight, out of mind, no wanting to surrender.
I think we are good to go. We are now going to take northern west of the park to the place called Gasenyi. Gasenyi is where I think we're going to have a lot of view of wildlife. The life most of the part of the park. Explained, give us by the one of the guides. You see the vehicle going there? He's the one tell us that there's some magic place on the northwestern of Queen Elizabeth National Park. Don't waste the time. Let us go. You see. Part of the world. This is Queen Elizabeth National Park, and this is Mwea Information Visitor Information Center. So where are we going to get more information? Don't forget your mask is an order of the day. Of the year. Ready? Alright, we are here. This is Mwea PIC, abbreviation of peace. You read it. Translate it in your local language. What means? Here we are. And have a sunny day. Wow, what a wonderful day. Have high expectation as usual of visiting, exploring the magic places of this Queen Elizabeth. This is the Queen Elizabeth National Park, rated on top of all parks. Here we are. And now we have to go and seek for permission from the officers inside the VIC room to tell us exactly, or to give us, awarding us with the one guide, tour guide of the day. I want a professional tour guide so that we can be able to enjoy, we and you, we will enjoy the detail given, shared with all of us. So we have no idea. This is the Queen Elizabeth National Park. Catch, yes. Now, Toyota dealers. Yes, they're there. You can just see. You wanted to know where they are?
How should we tell? Because we have other people who can say they did in Toyota and
Sure.
they are not the real people.
Woo! Now, Toyota, we have our map. Look at the map. This is the map of Toyota countrywide. Those spots there, those are the spots where, but we still find a way how we can increase the number. For now, there are like 5. You can see the spots, there are 5. But now we're trying to increase to make sure countrywide we have Toyota everywhere authorized. The service is doorstep service.
You have talked of our organization.
Sure.
We did in Toyota vehicles.
Yes.
We have Rekimburo.
Yes.
This is Queen
Yes,
Elizabeth.
sure.
Now we need Mbarara.
Mbarara now.
And Fort Patricia. Now these are crosser services.
Toyota.
Yeah,
Remember, the game reserve have bought a lot of our brand Toyota vehicle. Toyota is leading the way. Hello. Toyota is leading the way. You can see Toyota. Wow. Woo. Toyota, you are here. See machine? Which other machines that you are using passing here? If it's not Toyota. So Toyota, beautiful engineered. Wow. Cheers. I'll give you one coke.
You have to be with Land Cruiser.
What do you say Land Cruiser?
Meandering thing.
Only Land Cruiser and the rest. Maybe in the future we'll also try Tata. But for now, we can't speak a lot because we're not cruising it. It's going to be a big lie. So we need now to minimize the cost of servicing it. Centralize the service at the region so that it's easy to access it. Alright, so Madam said, so maybe Toyota is going to be in Mbarara because of Madam's request. So we're going to name it Toyota Mbarara for the name again?
Edida.
Eh?
Edida.
Edida, Madam Edida request Toyota Mbarara. If we're going to see tomorrow Toyota is in Mbarara, it's because of this request from that. Thank you very much.
Another question, yeah?
Another question? Yes?
I think I was asking them that
Yeah.
in case
Yeah.
I want to order some of your spare parts from
Sure.
how can I get a contact?
Contact, I think I'm gonna give you the contact of the person dealers in Poto so that you can have the contact with him. Either to come and pay courtesy visit, and if you owe you to go and pay him visit.
And again, you find, especially when you reach maybe to the Toyota office in Kampala, the spare part is at a certain price or maybe the normal price.
Yeah, sure.
But when it is maybe one of the
Dealers,
you find the prices.
No. Now this is even if you brought that question, that's at the right time. Toyota, as we are authorized dealers, and the price of Toyota genuine spare part are standardized countrywide. Meaning, the price you'll get at our head office, which is Namave, is the same price you must get here. If there's going to be some slight change, maybe for transportation, but the parts price is standardized.
I thought you supplied the transport cost.
No, what I'm saying, it will depend if nearby Kampala we may do it. But it is just like transport fee, not like any benefit, no, just to facilitate you to reach the destination. Because the margin we are getting just markup is just very small. You get it? But it does the price standardized if you go direct to them. So like if from here go to Fort Poto, you're gonna get at the same price as from Namago. But now if Fort Poto to Queen Elizabeth, it may have increased.
That one is okay.
That's okay. But if you go direct yourself to Fort Poto, because Fort Poto has a markup, as a dealer, they got their markup. You don't need to increase anything. We want really, Toyota want to keep the market really standard. So it just to give you more advantage. You get it? So you need to benefit from those kind of facilities. You are getting, at first it's a genuine part, at the price which is standardized. It has cut the cost of you to get the bus to go to Kampala. That is your benefit. You get it? You get the same thing, it is a warranty. Even if you buy a vehicle from Kampala, a brand new vehicle, you have no worry. They will locate to go to our dealers. If anything went wrong, you're going to be compensated because you did the right channel to go to the authorized dealers.
If I may ask, should I consider Fort Poto, not Mbarara?
So,
Because Mbarara
yeah.
is like a regional area.
Yeah, sure.
So many districts.
Yeah.
Let's say Kabar,
Yeah.
Kisoro,
Yeah.
even as far Rwanda.
Yeah, sure.
They normally come and shop from Mbarara.
Yeah.
So I think it would have been wise for you.
Yeah, I think let me even call one of my colleagues in Namavi. No idea about whether they have even opened it in Barara. Because, yeah, just here, just stick there. Hey, hello? Yeah, this is NN Toyota Arua. This is NN Toyota Arua. Yeah, this is Mr. Noor Ismail. Yeah, how is Kampala? Yes, I'm here at the Queen Elizabeth National Park. I've been have some tour, but I find one of some guide here I think is a fleet personnel of the vehicle of the game. And he was wondering whether you have any branch in Mbarara? Yeah, Mbarara. Fort Porto, even I've told them like this. But they say if we have any plan for the future to make sure Mbarara go to war. He's even here with me, can even tell you directly.
Hello. Good morning, sir. How are you? Yeah, nice to hear from you. I was asking your colleague that we have so many cars in Mbarara, and you know, Mbarara is like a regional center for other districts, and people even come from Rwanda or where. So I was asking him that why don't you put it in consideration at least instead of putting it in places like Fort Porto?
Right now,
Yes.
actually, I want to bring awareness to
Yes.
and actually, they have consideration that
Yeah.
that is reported today.
Okay.
That will open future once all the plans are done.
Okay.
So open one.
Okay.
But
It is in plan. That's good. I'm called Azaria. Azaria. Kameraho Azaria. Yes, Azaria.
You're from which area?
I'm from Barara, but I work from Pineda Base National Park.
Oh, okay. These are most of which one you so that after the reminder.
Okay, please, thank you very much. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Have a good day. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. They're gonna plan. If they are still delayed, they're not taking it, they'll take even the Barara branch and do it. Because you have the right to do that, as long as you can just manage it. Even me, I think as we are going back, the same route, we're also gonna try to survey the
check
area
around, yeah.
and think about it. That's
Yeah.
what we are.
Yeah,
We're
that's
also
it.
moving for explore and find a way where they expand their business.
Yeah.
We must
Part
reach
of
there.
it, we have to do that.
Sure.
Many people now find it as a problem to send
Yeah, but really it's cost.
Kampala.
It's not cost
You are
effective.
from Kisoro, you are from Kabare, then you go to Kampala. It is a little bit
Yeah,
costly.
sure. For the cost efficiency, we need to really be
Average center in Barara.
doorstep service is where to go. Thank you very much and hang around.
Yeah.
Woo!
And
Thank you for watching. If you already subscribed, click the notification bell so you don't miss our weekly videos.